Not a motor if it's not a rotor. It's about increasing up your rev.
If you don't have turbo, you don't hear anymore. And you're weak if your foot's not led.
You learn to yell as you drive. Demerara pointed, time to say goodbye. And who do you think you are in your hotted up shithouse car, doing doughies in your local park and sucking back on a dart? You're getting way too old, doing manies takes its toll. So don't flick the bird at me. Who do you think you are? Pumping techno as you drive through town with the sickest subwoofer around.
No, I don't want to see you light it up. You're not Craig Lowndes holding up the car.
You hang your arm out as you drive, doing burnouts in your stock Skyline. And who do you think you are in your hotted up shithouse car, laying rubber in your brother's yard, screaming out on a superstar? You hope you get parole. You're at another car around the pole. You're not in the Grand Prix. Who do you think you are?